SteriPro is a UVC disinfection robot. It is intended to reduce hospital infections on a whole new level, and when used preventively, infections can drop by 30% or more. It upgrades your manual cleaning process with extremely simple automated contactless disinfection. SteriPro is designed in the way that any hospital can start using it immediately, and only 5 to 15 minutes is needed to completely disinfect the room. It is mobile, so you can use it in any location, from operating theatres and ICUs, patient rooms, and even in ambulance vehicles. The robot is controlled through a smart app, assuring only authorized operators can use it. It automatically detects the room size, which eliminates the chance of human error. The operator simply selects the correct disinfection time by covering the whole room. After that, everything is automated, and the operator can spend their time on other assignments. With its powerful lamps, it easily reaches high-touch surfaces. Furniture, surgical lights, door handles, nothing is out of reach of SteriPro. The robot features motion sensors that shut down the device if anybody walks into the room, preventing unwanted exposure to the UVC. When finished, a notification is displayed. And that's it, ready to move to the next place, making contactless disinfection a preventative procedure in your hospital. Be the future. Easily reduce hospital infections with SteriPro.